Okay, so this is the part 2 of the 15th episode. Again, the heating problem. Let's start with flute again. I can play both sides well now. So I will play both. And then like this side. So we have being human, like literally being human. So there is a quality of being, which is the quality of being in the abstract. Okay, so that is what is termed as like consciousness or soul in some level. And then there is a quality of being human, in which includes like the quality of being human in this environment or relation to the outside, which is includes mostly environment. We have created outside, which is like no environment will be like so far away, we should stay from us. We have covered ourselves with so-called human inventions. So whatever, like so many people grow up in environments in which they don't even have contact with the nature. So they have dogs which are bred in the training centers. Okay, the entire house, there is nowhere, earth is nowhere, it's like all concrete. They are living in some air capsule. Okay, even air is not there because you cannot open the window because it is so cold. What do they have? No sunlight. So much they live in their mind. Being human goes deep. Will you clean someone's toilet, or if they need to be? If your mother is sick and all of this, will you do that? Or will you still be stingy? What is this? Like that. What will be your attitude? And then same attitude towards every human. So people, this was like relational one, right? But the same attitude towards every human then. This feeling of like untouchability we have bred in ourselves. My God. You don't want to be untouchable, come on. Because when saying untouchables, you are secluding yourself. Those people are touching you themselves. You are not touching them. You understand? Don't seclude yourself. Because then one day you will be lonely also. Then what will happen? It's like seeing someone. So let's say if I see someone here, so this is an identity game, so I won't tell you directly. But let's say a Canadian person, okay, and I see, and what comes to my mind is everything that I have association of that kind of skin color every association I have that of in terms of knowledge, the history, all of that. But all of that, in a sense, is just the gathering of this data by yourself. So it's a biased view. So even that person you can just see as a person. Like remove their drag clothes, the identity they are wearing, separate it from the person. Because what is the person? The person is some 55-year-old female identified who is thinking something, maybe weak, doesn't have so much like big aura, tired. That is what the person is. Identities are separate. There is a actual state of human being in terms of body that is always there. Are you weak in the body? Are you strong in the body? Which has nothing to do with what you are identified with. It has nothing to do with are you male or female? Are you wearing red color of clothes or black color of clothes or like the yellow color of clothes, which is like the skin outside. This is your cloth. Cloth of everything that you have stored. So there is a lot of storage here. But we are mostly concerned with like storage here. So we never even care about like, okay, what is happening with the body. Is my back hurting after working 9 to 5 so much? Do you care? Because for 2 years I worked like that and I was like, what the fuck, this is sick. Then I left everything and then I went to mountains and so much. Then I went back and loops and loops and loops. You played the game again and again. Trying to think that there is an end, but there is no end. The end is when you want it. So if everybody agrees, then this can be the end. That's it. Who cares? We write our own stories. This story, the plants, I don't care. Do you think the plants understand what I'm saying right now? And they are absorbing it like, oh, so this is the human story. No. They only see the actions, which is something which is really done. The vibration of it. So if I make this sound here, like this ground, this is what they are feeling. The energy. You don't know what way they are feeling, the transmutation of energy, because we are also feeling the energy only, but we feel energy in some sense like ears, eyes, so certain way we are feeling it. So they may be feeling it completely different way, but that way we cannot understand, but we understand at least like there is energy which is the basis, which every life form is sensitive to, and that is how it is working in a like equilibrium. Being human, we strayed so far away from the topic. Yeah, so being human is that quality only. That quality of existence where you understand someone else. How will a blind person is living? How is a person without a leg is living? How is a person without both legs is living? They need help, because they cannot live life like how we are living, and we are in majority, so we don't care. The feeling of empathy or compassion, as Dalai Lama points out. Compassion not because of you are male, I am male. Compassion not because you are old, I am old. Let's form a clan. Let's see why these young guys are doing bad. That's how it happens. People get trapped in that age group. The people who they live story with, they get trapped in the age group. Just pure compassion. And if that compassion, this is level of the human being. If the compassion exists the compassion, what you say, increases below this level, then it will be pure compassion, not human compassion. Like compassion for humanity is still one thing which we have fucked up, because it's not like we are treating each other nicely. So if we are destroying nature, then we are destroying each other also. It's like fine. So we are not even like selective about that. At least like protect humanity. Each other we are like, oh my god. But COVID is killing like different thing. How many are we killing each other? Be a human before you be some identity. First be a human. Everybody should learn how to be a human. There should be a course. This should be what is taught in the school. Like, what does it mean to be a human? If there is a child, 4 months old child, okay, near a waste, what you say, waste, or inside the waste, where you never touch that waste, will you touch it to save the child? Or you will be like, oh no, this is too impure for me. This is where I won't go. Or that matters to you more, the superficiality of it all. The fake morality for the sake of morality. The game, the story that we are playing is our own humanity's problem. Nature has nothing to do with it, because the nature never even understands it. The traffic lights you have created, the animals don't understand the traffic lights. They don't care about their borders. Obviously, you are forcefully making them do it, but they don't understand your language. They don't understand what is development, what is not development. Why are you doing it? You are doing it for some paper money. They have nothing to do with it. So it's our personal responsibility of humanity itself to keep our shit together. And not that we are not even keeping our shit together, we are destroying the nature also. So we are making something else pay also, which had no fault in how our story is going. We want to like create atom bombs and hydrogen bombs and destroy like the areas. Who pays the price for so much destruction? Nature. You think you are paying it? No. You are taking it out from the nature only. Who sustains the population, the food, the air that you required? If there are more human beings, aren't they consuming more, oxygen? Who is counterbalancing that? But that we don't care. But even if we don't care, at least as a human being, to other human being, we should be fair. But no. Because nobody is fair to anyone these days. The entire thing is lost. The family system is corruption. The marriage system is corruption. The employment system, career, that is corruption, pure corruption. Business is all about lying and dealing behind and all of these shitty things.